So finally we have started and we have two new members just to guide and motivate us. Let's see.
We'll find out later.
Yes. And we are not getting the way to go up actually. We are doing a warm up.
Zoom करिए.
Back to our first stage और हमारे पास अब दो ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे. अरे हटना. ये दो ऑप्शंस है तो हमें राइट जाना है मोस्टली. वो ज़्यादा ऊंचा है.
We are choosing India Winster.
हाँ देखा. So guys, we did not choose the easy route. We are on a route which we also don't know. So we are just following some random paths. These random paths are given by this markings. So let's see if we reach there or we make a U-turn. You look at that guy. That guy is very serious about his health. He's thinking about his life. Will he sleep?
He's just in the middle of thinking, should I go
Yes.
down?
He's thinking ways.
He's looking for his car right down there.
मेरी कार दिख तो रही लेकिन पहुंच नहीं पा रहा हूँ. ज़्यादा खपेगा नहीं बोल के इंडिया लेके आया. इंडिया वेंचर.
Let's see what will happen.
ट्रैकिंग करने का ज़्यादा मन हो नहीं रहा था. तो ज़्यादा नहीं. इंडिया वेंचर आ गया.
Just a good advice, never come to Table Mountain with Indian Western route because you will be fucked. Thank you. You are in the midway and you can see as the winds are blowing too hard. Just look at the winds. Just